Last week we went to Srinivas Sagar, which is located near Chikkaballapur, which is very nice dam for the scenic view, and it is just 1 hour journey from my location. And it has very good off-road trails. So we went through all these off-road trails. You can see here. From here we started and then moved with all these off-road trails. So it was very nice experience, and this is one of the campsite we can have very good nice camp. And around this saga there are many off-road trails you can experience, you can find, and you can enjoy. So even these are off-road trails, and finally you can reach around here. This is the dam view. After crossing Chikkaballapur, the journey becomes even more exciting as you are welcomed by beautiful hills, winding cart roads, and breathtaking scenery that makes the drive truly enjoyable. First, we headed onto the rugged off-road trails. At one point, we came across a deep rut where Thar's front wheel got stuck for a moment, thanks to its powerful rear wheel drive setup. It regained the traction and climbed out smoothly. Finally, we reached the backside of the dam to relax, to enjoy the peaceful water and beautiful nature. The front side of the dam is usually crowded, but thanks to the Thar, we could reach the quiet spot and enjoy the views without the crowd.